After piquing the curiosity of audiences for months, Rajkumar Hirani and team finally launched the highly anticipated teaser of the upcoming biopic on Sanjay Dutt titled Sanju. Ranbir Kapoor, who has played the role of Sanjay Dutt, had much to say about his role and Sanju, while director Rajkumar Hirani too was all praises for the real as well as the real-life Sanju Baba, with the casting couch issue and Saroj Khan hitting the headlines for what she had said. The cast of Sanju had another twist to share on the choreographer's comment. Let's enjoy the launch event as we listen to all that was said.
आप लोग कभी जैसे वीडियो लाइब्रेरी में जाते हैं ना, एटलीस्ट मेरे साथ होता है, मैं वीडियो लाइब्रेरी में जाता हूँ तो मेरे साथ ये होता है कि कौन सी फिल्म उठाऊं। ऐसा लगता है यार ये बड़ा एक एक्शन फिल्म ये उठाते हैं, इधर कॉमेडी है ये उठाते हैं, ये इधर ड्रामा है ये उठाते हैं। संजू ने जब अपनी कहानी सुनाई तो मुझे ऐसा लगा मैं वीडियो लाइब्रेरी में बैठा हूँ जहाँ पे अलग अलग किस्म की फिल्में चल रही हैं। सो एज फिल्म मेकर्स वी ऑल जस्ट ग्रीडी फॉर ग्रेट कंटेंट, और मुझे लगा वो कंटेंट मिला संजू की कहानी पे, एंड ही वाज ब्रेव इनफ टू से कि जैसे बोलना है आप बोल दो। सो आई थिंक दैट्स द प्राइमरी रीजन वी मेड दिस फिल्म, एंड आई होप you all will enjoy it.
I've always been a Sanjay Dutt fan. So for me, it was a fan trying to play his icon on screen. So I think the hardest work that I had to do is give myself confidence that I can play this man. Because I remember when Raju sir told me about this film, I just didn't have confidence because I felt I wouldn't be able to do it. I don't have the courage, I don't have the understanding, and I don't have the acting chops to do it. So this is not an acting gig for me. Like, I don't think I've tried to, show good acting or bad acting or showcase my talent. I think it was just the opportunity to be part of a story of somebody who I consider my icon, who I consider a very flawed person but a good person. And to tell a story and to be him was quite incredible.
There are many scenes in the film. There are stories that Raju and all told me that I couldn't believe were true. So I actually told them कि पता करो, चेक करो, ये ऐसा हुआ कि ऐसा ठोक रहा है हमको, क्योंकि ऐसी इसकी लाइफ है कि आप जब देखेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा।
Whole script shocked me because जैसे आपने कहा कि मैं एक अलग संजय दत्त को जानता हूँ, known him as a family friend. He's always treated me as a younger brother. I've also been a fan, but मैंने वो साइड का संजय दत्त देखा, खलनायक, big action hero, the kind of style icon he is, कैसे उसके बाल थे, यहाँ वो क्रॉस पहनता था, कैसे कपड़े पहनता था, मैं उससे वाकिफ था. But then when I read the screenplay, then you really understand कि उसकी life journey क्या थी. That was really shocking to me. So I think every scene, his whole drug phase, how he came out of it, how he fought that phase at such an early age, the passing of his mother 2 days before his premiere, 2 or 3 days before his premiere, his controversy with terrorism, his controversy with the gun, his relationship with his father, with his best friend, with the women in his life, everything, everything was quite shocking to me. Ki how can a man have so many lives in one life? I'm 35 today. By the time he was 18, I think he had lived 5 times what I could ever live in my life. So really, it was quite something. It was a screenplay sent from heaven, his life.
फिल्म एक सीन है जिसमें, क्योंकि मुन्ना भाई also is a part of his story. That was the time दत्त साहब ने पहली बार संजू के साथ एक फिल्म की थी, तो उसका थोड़ा सा अंश फिल्म में है. तो उसमें एक सीन है जिसमें रणबीर इज प्लेइंग मुन्ना भाई. तो मैंने बड़े एक्साइटमेंट में संजू को, वो स्पेशल इफेक्ट होकर क्लिप आया था, वो संजू को दिखाया. तो मुझे लगा संजू रिएक्ट करेगा, कि जिसको मैं दिखाता था सब कहते अरे बड़ा अच्छा यार, देखो कैसा लग रहा है. तो संजू ने ऐसे देखा और कोई रिएक्शन ही नहीं दिया. तो मैंने कहा संजू सी इट अगेन, वो सामने से देखो, फिर से देखो, क्लोजली वॉच इट. अगेन ही सॉ इट, अगेन ही डिडंट रिएक्ट. तो आई सेड संजू क्या हुआ, यू डिडंट लाइक इट? तो ही सेड I don't think this is very good news for me. Of course, he said it jokingly, and so he's seen some parts of it, and I think he gets overwhelmed कि मेरे लाइफ में फिल्म बन रही है, उसी पे वो right now is in that zone.
Defending the casting couch in the Bollywood industry. So, what are your thoughts, all of you, if you could answer?
My wife worked for India Today. That's an amazing question coming from India Today. What do you think our view should be?
My comment on this, I've never faced it. So if it's there, it's the worst kind.